This is my beautiful wife just sleeping away. Oh, she's awake, but she'll be asleep again in a second, snoring.
1 second.
Stop showing me your IQ.
2 seconds.
Stop showing both of our IQs.
Is it morning yet?
Almost.
I was sleeping, honey.
I know. Are you comfy?
Go away.
I am away.
I want to be recorded.
You don't?
How long have we been doing that?
A minute and 31 seconds.
Oh.
Time enough to have a conversation with you. You drift off to sleep. You snore up a storm again. And now you're awake again. A minute 44 seconds. That's pretty good.
Go away.
Good night, sweetie.
Good night, honey.
I'm not kissing that face after what came out of it. Oh, okay. Sleeping.